Oh boy. Here we go again. Here we go again. I guess this is sentencing day. Sentencing day, I guess, if you want to call it. In the Ksoo case, here we have one of the co-defendants. And when I tell y'all, boy, they done slammed y'all, boy. Anybody that was behind that gun that day, they done slammed y'all. And let's just take a look at what just happened, y'all. Duval promo page, shout out to them for breaking the news because nobody else broke the news. So here I am trying to break the news with them. Let's check this out, y'all. Oh, not playing.
That's correct. Okay. So as to count 1 for murder in the second degree, I am going to adjudicate you guilty and sentence you to 25 years in Florida State Prison with credit for the 2,136 days you have already served.
It's like 2-3 years.
Count. Both counts. That's correct. Okay. So as to count 1 for murder in the second degree, I am going to adjudicate you guilty and sentence you to 25 years in Florida State Prison with...
As y'all can see, 25 years. Was it worth it? It wasn't worth it. I don't give a damn what they said, what they think, none of that. They literally were beefing for nothing. Most of these guys knew each other from yay high and couldn't just guff it out. They couldn't take a punch. They couldn't handle the embarrassment of just losing a tooth, getting a black eye. None of that foolishness. Each one of them decided to go on the super violent end at a super early age, and they gave y'all super time in a super max or a super pen. It wasn't worth it. Young people, it's not worth it. I promise you. You could literally delete anybody out of your life by a click of a button, by releasing a memory. It's that easy. You don't have to deal with nobody no more in this day and time. You get what I'm saying? It's so many people out here that want friends or whatever the case may be, and this, that, and the third. You don't have to beef with. You don't have to beef. I got a motherfucker right here in Jacksonville right now that's trying his hardest to start a beef with me. I'm talking about trying. When I see him, I'm gonna knock his head off, but I ain't gonna shoot him unless he make me. You get what I'm saying? And what I mean by somebody making you is your life is endangered, not you stalking them and hawking them down. Because that's what they pretty much did if you go back and watch the footage and all of that, if that's them. But they getting charged for it, so I'm not going to say allegedly, but according to the charges and the time that they going to serve, they crashed out, literally. It wasn't worth it, bro. Man, I hope you can see it all in his face, boy. He looking like I gotta literally sit in this shithole for the rest of my life. Because pretty much the rest of his life. If he already maybe 25, 30 or whatever the case may be, that's pretty much the rest of your life. You know how long it took me to get to the age that I am now? It took a long time. Whether some of these days fly past or not, them days ain't gonna fly past for him. Neither for Ksoo, neither for the other guy. I can't remember the other guy's name. They gonna be thinking about that gunning down every day. Now they gotta worry about a motherfucker gunning them down with a blade in prison. You can't protect none of your people out here no more. Your daddy out here running gonna be out here running wild because he ain't got nobody no more either. Cause y'all probably was his protection as he got older. You know what I'm saying? There's only but so much he can do. He don't have a gun on it. Man, y'all, let me tell y'all, this whole thing is jacked up. Man, y'all stay free, man. Y'all stay cool, man. Y'all like, comment, subscribe, man. It's your boy, Urben Currse. I'll be back with another one, y'all. Y'all already know how this shit go, man. This is sad. On all ends.
What? This hour?
Save your life.